Here we have a Camaro to check out, a unique specialty in classics. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Of course, the convertible on these was done at ASC, or Automobile Specialty Company. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms the miles. I believe it's approximately 56,000. We'll take a little look when we get around to the driver's side, start it up, check out the odometer, look at the interior. Now, of course, if you want to see still pictures of the interior, the underside, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the front fascia on this. It does show its age in a few spots. There's just a little bit of spider webbing. I don't know if you can even really see it. Kind of tough to see, but I want to point that out a little bit. Notice there's an aftermarket steel or metal type grill that would fit here maybe instead of this insert. I'll show you that in a second. And there also is the license plate bracket that will be included with this car and in the trunk. There's believed to be approximately 1,859 of these convertibles done on the regular Camaros in 1988. This particular one powered by a 305 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That 305 is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. We have bucket seats, center console. Of course, tilt and cruise. One thing, I played around with the stereo. I did not get the stereo to power up, FYI. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. There's kind of that lower grille I was talking about, the little tighter metal slats, and then the front license plate bracket. Again, those will be in the trunk, and you can see pictures of the trunk with all the other still pictures. The top on this car, it is a manual top, works very similar to the C5 Corvettes, very easy to put up and down. What they did at ASC, that center button right there, which usually pops the rear hatch or the trunk, is now the release for the tonneau cover that will open up and reveal the soft convertible top. This one would be black cloth. And at the end of this video, we're going to check that out too. I'll put it up for you. So, all right, get a look at the interior. Again, power locks on this one, remote mirrors, and then again the tilt and cruise, bucket seats, power windows. And let's go ahead. We'll start it up so you can hear it run. Flip these visors up. All right. So easily it starts. All right. Sorry, I said 56,000. It's 59,000. 508. And again, confirmed on Carfax. No mileage readings over that. No accidents indicated. Check out this dash. You can tell the car is not sat outside and been sun-baked at all. It's stored indoors. I'm going to go ahead, run this over. You're going to hear the compressor kick on. Go to max and it practically freeze you out in here. So again, AC does work. Turn that off a second. Tach's working. Oil pressure, voltage meter, fuel gauge. Assuming the temp is going to come up as the engine warms up also. Here, runs smooth. Alright, slip around to the back. Well, you can hear the car run. We'll pop the hood, let's check that out, put up the top, check the rest of this car out. What you expect a 305 to sound like, nothing crazy. No wild exhaust, no crazy cam, anything like that. As it warms up, it's going to idle down a little bit. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood, let's check out the engine bay. Wow, take a look at this engine bay. Nice and tidy. Kind of what you'd expect with the miles in this car. Could use a hood liner, FYI. I'm sure that may have just kind of deteriorated. All the plugs for holding it up are there. That'd be pretty easy to come by if you had to have one. Fuel injected, 305. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Alright, get an idea how it runs. Smooth runner, sounds good. I'm going to go ahead, pause this one more time, button up that hood, turn it off, and fold this top up so we can check out that convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got the hood closed up, shut off, and now I got the top up so we can take a look at it. All right, first off, so it is black cloth. And nice shape. I'd say it's probably the original top for me, considering this is 1988, but again, original mile car. So, not a ton of miles on it, but the top appears to be in nice shape. As you can see, rear plastic window, and that's still clear, can see through that fine. No rips, tears, holes. Top is going to function as you need it to either keep you dry or keep the sun off your shoulders or give you a little shade. Again, it is manual for this rear deck. To pop that up so you can get the top out, it is that center button on the center console right there. That will pop that rear deck when the top's down. Then you can reach in, fold it up. You lock it in the front just like a normal convertible top, and then back here right in the center there's a post that will latch down, and that locks it in. When you go to release that rear post, you can actually, so I have the seat folded up just a tad there, you can reach back there, there's a lever that pops, that post pops up, undo the front manually and fold it up. It's really not that tough. It basically works very similar to the same as like a C5 Corvette. There you go, 1988 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.